your final salaries. 你儲備個都有放。
What does this all mean exactly? If we take a step back to a couple months back, this meme has sparked a global trend among the internet meme community. Which, safe to say, this meme was a hit, for the time being. I also particularly enjoy this meme due to its simplicity and relatability. In today's age, giving your phone to your partner might be a death sentence. Because of how expectations and standards have grown over time along with the internet. Welp, that is all I wanted to say. Also, this isn't really a documentary, more like a funny thing, at least to me.